5-volt series regulator is used in a circuit below. Assume our load is purely resistive and negligible current passes through a series regulator common ground junction. So here we have 0 amps basically. Okay, assume Vn equals to 14 volts, which would mean we have 14 volts here, correct? And 5 ohm, which is the load. So we have 5 ohm here. Okay, all right. So if we have 14 volts coming in, this is a 5-volt regulator, which means the voltage drop across this 5-volt regulator will just simply be 14 minus 5, and that gives you 9 volts, correct? Which means the voltage over here will be 5 volts, correct? 14 coming in, 9 volt drop across 5-volt regulator. 5 volt goes to this resistor being 5 ohm. So if I simply just find out the current, it's going to be V over R. So V is 5 here, so you get 5, resistance is 5 ohms, that gives you 1 amp, right? So the current flowing here is 1 amp. Because there's nothing going here, this is 0 amps. So you also have 1 amp coming into this regulator, because in a series circuit, this becomes a series circuit, current remains same. And because we have 9 volt here, voltage drop across this regulator, if I'm trying to find out the power, which is a function of current and voltage, current being 1 amps and voltage being 9, that gives you a power of 9 watt. Okay, this is important because we're going to use this in the equation. Now we have to find out the maximum permissible case temperature. Maximum permissible case temperature. Notice here, maximum junction, there are a few parameters given here. Maximum junction temperature, which is represented by TJ max, it's 150 degrees centigrade. That's the highest temperature a transistor can attain. Junction to case temperature is represented by this theta looking sign, JC, junction to case. That is also given 4 degrees centigrade per watt. We have to find out, remember, maximum case temperature, and the formula to find out the maximum case temperature is given here, which equals TJ max, which is 150. So I'm going to plug in the values here. So I get 150 degrees centigrade minus junction to case temperature is 4 degree centigrade per watt, and then the power, which we calculated earlier, is 9 watt, correct? 9 watt. Watt and watt will cancel out. We then have 150 degrees centigrade minus 4 times 9 is 36 degrees centigrade. Hence the temperature, the maximum case temperature is 150 degrees centigrade minus 36, and that gives us 114 degrees centigrade. There you go.